United deputy is now facing charges after this arrest. It shows him tase the man and accidentally set that suspect and another deputy on fire. Fox 35's Marie Edinger shows us how this case could cost taxpayers millions of dollars.
I talked with a lawyer for the man burned at this Wawa over a year ago. He says the state attorney's office was considering a felony charge of attempted manslaughter for that deputy, but he says attempted manslaughter is hard to prove. Manslaughter inherently means it was an accident, so it's difficult to say that you attempted an accident. He explained that's how the deputy wound up instead with just a misdemeanor charge. On the ground! This is the moment that led to an Osceola County Sheriff's deputy facing criminal charges. Stop, roll! Deputies were after Baerga for driving recklessly, running red lights, going on sidewalks and grass, even driving toward oncoming traffic. They followed him to a gas station. They pull out a taser and acknowledge the risk.
Hey, kill the pump, there's gas.
But Deputy David Crawford fired the taser anyway.
We're gonna get you to the hospital.
Burn injuries make people very sensitive to the sun and susceptible to infection. The only parts of Barretto's body that weren't burned were his face, because he was wearing a mask, his hands, because he had gloves, and his feet, because he had shoes. The rest is covered in second and third degree burns that have racked up $7 million in medical expenses. Barretto's lawyers are coming after the sheriff's office for that money.
And cause the taxpayers of Osceola County millions. There should be consequences, because how else do we stop this type of activity from happening again?
The consequences for the deputy who lit that fire? A criminal charge of culpable negligence, a misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year in jail.
I need water, I need something, I need water, sir.
Barretto's attorneys say the crime doesn't fit the punishment, but that the punishment is all the law allows for.
I think that the legislature should be cognizant of this and make the appropriate changes so when this type of behavior occurs, that it does allow for a felony.
Barretto's attorneys plan to file a lawsuit against the Osceola County Sheriff's Office within the next month or so. In Orange County, Marie Edinger, Fox 35 News.